How do you use hot glue as a temporary jig? Imagine working on a craft project where you need to hold pieces in place but don't want a permanent bond. That's where hot glue can become your best friend. Using hot glue as a temporary jig is a simple trick that can save you time and frustration. It allows you to hold, align, or stabilize parts while you work on them. This method is especially handy in upcycling projects where materials are often irregular or tricky to work with. Start by applying a small dab of hot glue on the surface where you want to hold your piece. Be careful not to use too much because excess glue can be hard to remove later. Before the glue fully cools and hardens, press your part into the glue. Hold it for a few seconds until the glue sets enough to keep the piece in place. Hot glue cools quickly, usually within a minute, so you can move on to the next step fast. This quick setting makes it perfect for temporary fixtures. To make sure your jig is easy to remove later, use surfaces that hot glue doesn't stick to permanently. Non-porous plastics or surfaces coated with a little vegetable fat or wax work well. These materials prevent the glue from bonding too tightly, so you can peel it off without damaging your project. When you finish your work, gently peel away the glue. If any residue remains, a glue residue eraser or warming the area slightly with a heat gun or hairdryer can soften it for easy cleanup. Hot glue jigs are great for holding small parts like beads, buttons, or scrap wood at specific angles. For example, if you're gluing pieces of plastic or wood at a certain angle, you can create a custom jig with hot glue to hold everything steady. This helps you get precise results without needing clamps or nails. If you need a little extra strength but still want to remove the jig later, you can combine hot glue with a small amount of super glue. Use hot glue for initial positioning, then add super glue for a stronger hold. Once the project is complete, you can carefully separate the pieces if needed. Remember, hot glue is fast, flexible, and easy to work with. It's perfect for temporary jigs and upcycling crafts because it holds things in place just long enough for you to finish your project. When you're done, cleanup is simple, and your work remains undamaged. This trick makes crafting more efficient and fun, especially when working with a variety of recycled materials.